Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. So students, up to yesterday we had finished unit 3. Today we are going to start unit 4. See what is about unit 4? A cure for Santa. Okay, let's we know what is the story of curing for Santa. After his father Santa Claus died, Robin was not ready to take up Santa's duties. After his father died, whose father? Santa Claus died. Robin is not ready to take up his father's duties. He did not want to be the Santa for a very weird reason. He did not want to be Santa. What is happening? Robin did not want to take up his duty because he did not want to become a Santa for a weird reason. As a child, Robin had spent all his time indoors learning how to make wonderful toys of all sorts. As a child, Robin was a child, he used to spend all his time indoors. He used to spend all his time in indoor only, means he used to spend his time in house only. How? Learning to make wonderful toys of all sorts, means toys break and making, like that he used to spend his time. He had never interacted with another child. How the Robin never interacted, यानी कि किसी के साथ अट्रैक्ट नहीं हुए उन्होंने, with another child, कभी किसी से नहीं मिले थे उन्होंने. And so he was afraid of children. How the Robin never interacted with another child, so he was afraid of children. डर जाते थे बच्चों से. How on earth would he go and deliver the toys during Christmas then? How on earth would he go? How on earth would he go? Okay, and deliver toys. How would he go on earth and deliver the toys during the Christmas? यानी कि क्रिसमस के टाइम पे उन्होंने ज़मीन पर जाके बच्चों को कैसे गिफ्ट्स डिलीवर करेंगे? बिकॉज ही वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. The gremlins and elves who worked at Santa's toy workshop were very worried. Means in the Santa's shop, gremlins and elves who worked at the Santa's toy shop, they were very worried. They were very worried about Robin. They had to find a cure for their new Santa. For what they were worried? They worried how to cure this new Santa. How to cure new Santa, or the children would go without gifts every Christmas thereafter. And they were worried. Gremlins and elves worried about how this Robin will come on earth, because he was worried, afraid of children. So without giving gifts, he went off, or he never come on earth, or children will go their home without taking gifts on the Christmas day. They were thinking that we must cure and we have to make a new Santa to the Robin. Listen carefully, said Alice. Who said? Alice said. The leader of the gremlins. Listen carefully, Alice said. Leader of the gremlins leader with an air of importance. with an air it is importance. If Gremlins is the leader, you all must go and pick up newspapers and look for advertisement. So listen carefully. Leader said Gremlins LS. Leader said to the LS, importance they have talked about importance with an air of importance. हवा जो importance होती है. So what they talk, you must go and pick up न्यूज़पेपर ले लेना चाहिए. एंड लुक फॉर एडवर्टाइजमेंट को देखो. लुक आउट फॉर डॉक्टर्स. एडवर्टाइजमेंट में किसके बारे में देखना है? डॉक्टर्स, विजर्ड्स एंड पीपल with special talents who can help cure our Robins. We look in the advertisement this type of special people, they can cure our Robin. Gremlins means a person those who mechanically blames the problems. Whom mechanically problems can be blamed. A person mechanically problems can be blamed. So he said that to find out the advertisement from the newspaper and look about the special people. The special people means a person those who have the special talent to cure our Robin. So now see, newspaper from everywhere were brought, and the elves and gremlins began looking for advertisements immediately. Newspaper from everywhere, newspaper were brought. Elves and gremlins began looking for advertisement immediately. I see something interesting, cried Aldo in a small sweet voice. Aldo said, I see something interesting. He said in a cried way, in a sweet, small, sweet voice. छोटी सी स्वीट सी वॉइस में वो रोते हुए बोल दिया कि I see something interesting बोलकर. Read it please, said Alice. What said Alice? Read it please. Okay. Here it goes, he said. Who said? Aldo. Are you afraid of the dark? अंधेरे से डर लगता है क्या? Are you afraid of your own shadow? अपनी परछाई से भी डर लगता है क्या? Are you afraid of spiders यानी क्या? मकड़ी, उससे भी डर लगता है क्या? Are you afraid of snakes से भी डर जाते हो क्या? Are you suffering from phobias? Dr. Michael Smith, doctor of fear. Dr. Michael Smith is a fear of doctor. How he was a? He was a fear of doctor. Will help you. Call him now. So what the Alice said? Are you all afraid of own shadow, dark, spiders, snakes, and phobias? So Dr. Michael Smith is there. He was a doctor of fear. He will help you. Call him now. Who said this? Aldo. Now see, well done Aldo. Just what we need. What he said, Alice? Well done Aldo. What we need. Tomorrow Robin will go to see the doctor. What we need? Tomorrow Robin will go to see the doctor, to visit the doctor. The next morning, Alice told Robin over breakfast. Next morning, Alice told to Robin over the breakfast. When Robin is doing breakfast at that time, Alice told about all that had happened the previous day. When he was taking a breakfast, Alice told to Robin जब ब्रेकफास्ट ले रहे थे तब एलिस बोल दिए रॉबिन को कि प्रीवियस डे जो गुजरा हुआ दिन में जो कुछ भी हो चुका था, एंड मैनेज्ड टू कन्विंस हिम टू सी द डॉक्टर. और क्या करे ना, कल जो कुछ भी हुआ वो सब कुछ रॉबिन को बोल दिए और क्या करे वो रॉबिन को कन्विंस करे, राजी कर लिए कि डॉक्टर से मिले बोलकर. Okay, half an hour later, Robin was all dressed up and on the sleek. After half an hour, आधा घंटे के बाद, Robin was ready. He was dressed up. Okay, he was dressed up and sleek means a sledge drawn by reindeer or dogs in cold snowy areas. In that way, he was dressed up. Along with Alice and Aldo. He was ready and he was dressed up along with Alice and Aldo. They took off for the city. They took off Robin to the city. When they reached the doctor's clinic, they were asked to wait in a room. When they reached to the doctor's clinic, Aldo, Alice and Robin, so doctor said him to wait in a room. Everything in that room was white. In that room, they were waiting. So in where they were waiting, Alice, Aldo and Robin were waiting in the room. So how was that room? That room was white. Everything was in that room was white. Floor also white, curtains also white and tables also white. Looks like the doctor is afraid of black. Alice chuckled. So what the Alice said, चौंक कर परेशान होकर बोल दिया उन्होंने doctors will it looks after seeing that room he said that he looks like doctor is afraid of black यानी कि सब देखने के बाद उन्होंने ऐसा बोले कि ऐसे लगता है कि डॉक्टर ब्लैक से डर जाते होंगे इसीलिए सब कुछ व्हाइट ही है. Right at that moment the secretary poked in her head. So right that moment secretary came there. The doctor is waiting for you, she said. What she said? Go in, the doctor is waiting for you. They found that there was nothing exceptional about the doctor. What they found? They found nothing is exceptional about the doctor other than what he wore. Okay, nothing is exceptional about the doctor other than he wore. यानी कि जो उन्होंने वोर अप करे थे वो एक्सेप्शनल नहीं था, एक्सपेक्ट नहीं था वो. शूज, इवन द लेसेस, ट्राउजर्स, एप्रॉन, स्पेक्टिकल्स, एवरीथिंग वाज वाइट. ये उन्होंने कभी उम्मीद ही नहीं करे थे. कि जब उन्होंने अंदर गए तब सब कुछ वाइट ही दिखाई दिया उनको. द डॉक्टर हिमसेल्फ वाज अ रादर पेल, शॉर्ट statured man with thick black eyebrows. How was the doctor? The doctor was a rather pale. How he was? A short statured man, short height man with thick black eyebrows. Thick black eyebrows he had.